Sir, this is very popular snack in Korea, which is called Cheapo.
Cheapo.
So
what is it?
I would say this is
Kind of a stamped fish.
yeah, okay, stamped fish. I would say
stamped fish.
yeah.
Condensed fish.
Yeah, stamped.
We love the
condensed,
condensed
yeah.
thing. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. 너무 많이 주신 것 같은데? Sir,
Oh wow.
yeah,
Yeah.
for free.
Nice one.
잘 먹겠습니다. 네. 네, 그거 주세요. 가져갈게요. Yes, sir. Yeah, try.
Wow. I wasn't expecting that. What's the sweetness?
Yes, sir. I told you it's marinated.
It's marinated.
Yes, sir.
I taste a little bit of the fish in. Not much, but
Does it taste okay?
yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
You can have more?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm.
Some of that.
I love it.
Uh-huh. So this is for you, chef.
Really?
Yeah. It's easy to carry in a suitcase. So.
Oh, I'm gonna cook this.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna do
You're
it.
gonna cook
Yeah.
it?
I'm gonna do this. No, seriously. Oh my God, thank you.
You're very welcome,
I'm
sir.
gonna take this back and I'm gonna do a video.
Yeah? Okay.
Good beer.
So what's your name again? It's
Cheapo. G and P-O.
Oh, Cheapo.
Yeah, Cheapo. Yeah.
Cheapo.
Red sail filefish.
That's what this is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
I'm eating the pretty
쥐찌,
fish.
쥐찌.
Oh.
쥐찌.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Look, this is this. It's too pretty. It's too pretty. It's too pretty.
Sir, please come here. Yeah. She want to give you another trial of something. Yeah. The anchovy. Yeah.
And that's anchovies.
Yes, sir. Because in Korea, we're very famous as a anchovy, and we have like a lot of different anchovies. So we use this kind of anchovies for making side dishes, and also for like this kind of big one. We usually use this for making a broth. But like this size, this three, for making side dishes mainly.
Really?
So you can have a taste. Yeah.
Try eat one?
Yeah.
Anchovy like this.
Yeah.
So I'm used to anchovies in like Caesar salad.
So this one's steamed and dried.
Oh. Anchovy.
And also you can try the tiny one.
Nice little crunch. Like a little, yeah. Wow.
Like when you fry it, it becomes more crunch.
Wow.
Yeah.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Wow.
Okay. That's a mikura.
Is that eel? No.
I would say
No.
it's not a eel.
That's not eel. What's fish?
Mudfish.
This is a mudfish.
Because they live in the mud. Yeah.
Korean version.
Huge. Did you see this thing over here? That is massive. That's crazy.
Yeah.
This is an ugly fish.
Yeah.
Ugly fish. yeah.
It looks. It reminds me like a monkfish.
여거가 아구예요? 도치?
Dochi?
도치. We're not family. We don't really know.
But it looks like a monkfish is an ugly fish. But this is not a monkfish. This is an ugly fish. But a monkfish is an ugly fish. This is an ugly fish. I'm confused now.
Okay.
I've lost everything I believed.
So you remember the stingray we had when we are in a cold noodle restaurant?
I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was my first time
Okay,
eating
let's
stingray.
That's the one. Yeah. This is the stingray, sir.
This is more than a stingray right here. This is.
Look how huge it is.
Piece of the stingray. Wow.
Wow. Look at the stinger.
Oh yeah.
That is.
This is huge.
Wow. That's huge.
Wow.
Stingray. Wow. Crazy. Soon to the blackfish.